Imagine getting paid handsomely for doing something you love. Say goodbye to mundane tasks and hello to a job that sparks joy and excitement. In this exciting video, I'll reveal a secret opportunity that allows you to earn up to $100 an hour while having a blast. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to turn your passion into profit. Watch now and start living life on your own terms. Before we embark on this exciting journey, I highly recommend that you take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications. By doing so, you'll gain access to a wealth of insightful videos that are packed with novel and groundbreaking methods to help you achieve financial success in the online world. Our videos are carefully crafted to provide valuable information and actionable tips that can be applied right away. By joining our community, you'll never miss out on any of these valuable resources. So go ahead, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and let's embark on this exciting journey together towards financial success. Now, let's get started. Get ready to turn your passion into profit. Earn up to $100 an hour while having an absolute blast with Askable.com, the website that promises lucrative opportunities to earn up to $100 per hour through paid research. With a wide range of studies available, you can seamlessly participate and reap the rewards of your valuable insights. Gone are the days of boring 9-to-5 routines. With this opportunity, you'll not only make money but also have fun doing it. Imagine waking up every day excited to start work because you actually enjoy what you're doing. Whether you're a student looking for some extra cash or someone searching for a career change, you can turn your hobbies and interests into a lucrative income stream. With jobs all over the world, you can get great money just by providing your opinion. Sessions are varied. Sometimes you'll be testing a website. Sometimes you'll be giving feedback on a new product. Most are online, so you can even complete them from the comfort of your home or any place. Quick and easy sign up. You can join in less than 60 seconds. To get started, just a few key details, and you'll start receiving opportunities. They'll text you when an opportunity comes up that is nearby and suits you, or keep an eye out for your dashboard. Typically, jobs range from $30, $50 for online sessions, and up to $60, $120 for in-person. You'll have the option to get paid via PayPal or receive a gift card of your choice. Don't settle for less when you can have it all: financial freedom and enjoyment. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility of Askable today. At the conclusion of this remarkable video, if you have found it to be both enjoyable and informative, I kindly request that you express your appreciation by granting it a resounding thumbs up. Additionally, I encourage you to engage in the comments section below with your thoughts and opinions, as your input is highly valued. It would be immensely gratifying if you could also share this video with others who may find it valuable. Your support plays a pivotal role in our continued efforts to create more enriching content like this. Lastly, do not overlook the importance of subscribing to our channel and activating the notification bell so that you never miss out on future videos of similar caliber.